Hi everyone, Sam from the Bodycentre here. Now as promised, here is the video of our brand new spray booths. As a lot of you guys may know, we have recently relocated. So instead of bringing our old booths down here, we purchased 3 brand new booths. I'm going to show you some clips of our old booths, some clips of the build of our new booths, and then we're going to get into the specification of these brand new booths. Top of the range. Keep watching guys, this one can't be missed. As you guys may have seen over the years, we haven't had the best booths. We did produce some unbelievable work out of those booths, but as we were relocating, it made sense to purchase 3 brand new spray ovens. Now, the manufacturer that we've gone for are called USI ITALIA, also known as USI. These are some of the best booths available on the market. Let me explain more. We have the Chronotech Booths, 1 being commercial size and 2 normal size ovens, with a 4-stage filtration, a touchscreen display for full control of the booths, fully gridded floor and roof inlet, filter maintenance recorded and displayed on screen, pneumatic ramps, a Sata 244 air filter which decontaminates air from oil and water. These booths were a 5-week install. They're serviced every 6 months by USI. All 3 booths are wrapped in 3M dirt trap wrap. We have Prevost 1-click release couplings and over 1,800 lux light output. These booths can dry base coat thoroughly in under 10 minutes. In addition, there is more that these booths can do using the on-screen display. They are featured with a recirculation cycle setting, which is run every morning for a few minutes to gently heat the booths. This helps to clear the moisture from the burners and is controlled using hygrometers, which tracks the level of moisture. They are fitted inside of the booths, but the measurements are also displayed digitally on the screens, allowing for easy monitoring. The screens also present us with full details of all the running gear that gives us better knowledge on which paint products and additives to use for the current conditions. These booths can also be customized and set up for each individual painter, which we think is absolutely amazing. Our booths are also connected to the internet. So if we need any updates at any time, the main factory in Italy can connect to our booths and do any updates that are needed. We've also spent a lot of time designing our brand new mixing room. It is designed in a way to make the working life of each technician as simple as possible. Cleanliness is also a massive factor within a paint shop, so we keep this room absolutely immaculate at all times. So to wrap this video up, I want to say a massive thank you to USI ITALIA for installing these booths for us. It's increased our efficiency massively in the workshop. The flow is unbelievable, so massive thank you for them. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video and got more of an understanding of what our booths do and what they're capable of. We can't wait to show you guys some more videos of behind the scenes of what we do. Please subscribe to all our social media pages. See you guys next time.